In front of me is Google Pixel 9 and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down to access Security and Privacy. Then scroll all the way down and click on Privacy section. Following that, hit Permission Manager and select one of these devices options that you wish to manage. Then tap on any app that you wish to manage and click on one of those options. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with the first one, so when I tap and go back, I can see that calendar just gained access to this device's location if I'm using Calendar app. But you can always select any feature, look for an app that you wish to manage, and instead of applying any of those options, select See All Permissions at the bottom. Then manage all of those only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!